This new automated collection system counts on 500 miles of fiber optic conduit. The Pennsylvania Turnpike continues to be the showcase for new technology with the recent installation of fiber optic loaded conduit. When it opened in 1940, it was proclaimed as America's first superhighway. Today, it stretches 565 miles and continues a legacy of innovation by using state-of-the-art technologies to provide fast response times, increased smoother traffic flow, and safer trips for drivers. 563 miles of high-density polyethylene, HDPE Microduct, was used to build the Turnpike's automated collection system that also connects highway condition monitoring units and other devices supporting traffic management. Additionally, the system features other conduit pathways for additional fiber cable installations for the Turnpike and to provide for extending broadband reach to underserved communities. Delivered on 10,000-foot reels, the conduit's diameter of less than an inch made installation easier and quicker. Working at night and using microtrenching to install more than 500 miles of fiber optic HDPE conduit was less disruptive to traffic and was faster and safer to install. Dura-Line received the Plastics Pipe Institute's Power and Communications Division's Project of the Year Award for the use of its FuturePath 8-way microduct. Details of this project can be found in the Cabling Installation and Maintenance magazine article. Additional information can be found at PPI's Power and Communications Division website, www.plasticpipe.org/power communications.